Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are gonna install the coilovers on my E36. As you can see on screen, this is how it will look, but right now we're gonna see how the coilovers ended up under my car. So I hope you guys enjoy. First thing we had to do is obviously remove the wheels so we can reach into the suspension. We had to take 3 bolts out on the bottom, 3 on top, so it's a pretty easy thing to disassemble. So right now we are doing the bolts from the bottom. Then it's loose on the bottom. Then we have to do the 3 on top. Then we can get it out. So 3 on top are also very easy. Then we have it loose. And we can get the old one out. So the old one is out. As you can see, the difference in size between the KW normal and the AP coilovers is massive. So the coilovers came with top mounts from a different car, so we had to remove those and put them on and put my old ones on the new one. So here we are removing the top mounts from the old one. As you can see, it's just 1 bolt and it's off. Then we put the top mount on the new coilover so we can install it on the car. As you can see, it's already in. It's just the same as the old one, just put it back in where it was. Then we fastened the bolts on the top a little bit so it stayed on its place, and then we started working on the bottom because they were way harder to get in right, because it wasn't lining up perfectly all the time, so we had to push and pull and everything to get the 3 bolts in the bottom to fit and to sit right. So that was kind of a hassle, but it was fun, sort of. So the rear is a lot easier. It's just a spring that you can easily pull out. Easily, you need 2 people, I think, to get this out. Easy. As you can see, a little bit of strength and pulling and it will come off. Then simply put the new one back in and set the right height how you think it's gonna go. Then set the right height how you think will work. Then loosen the suspension in the rear. Also just 3 bolts, which is pretty easy. Get the old one out.
Boah! Kijk hem, kijk hem!
Oh, dit was die pakking zeker.
En dat was het ooit.
Put the new one in and bolt it up.
Boah, blauw veer. Boah.
Dik hè? Volgens mij is aanverblauw.
Zo gaat het bij 100 graden.
And then check if everything is fastened right. Then just put the wheels back on and lower the car and you can see the result. Maar het staat wel best wel goed geluid. Het ziet er wel goed uit. So it's a day after we did the coilovers. I did some miles on it and I can tell you it makes a huge difference. So it's a lot stiffer than it was before. So before in corners you just felt the body roll a lot, and that's a lot less now. It's way stiffer, so if you really try, you can get the back end out, which was impossible before, only in the rain. So the fronts we kept almost the same, a little bit higher, so it clears a lot better with the front splitter. And the rears just a little bit lower. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a nice track stance. So I'm really impressed by how it feels and how it drives. So there will be definitely more mods coming. I can't wait to test this out on a circuit or something, but everything is closed now because you know what. So we'll have to wait and see when we can really test this thing out and see what it does on coilovers instead of normal suspension. I want to thank Mark and Simon for helping me out. With them it wouldn't be possible. So we're gonna take some photos of the car, and that will be the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. There will be more mods coming because now I'm addicted and always looking for new parts. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.